Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, so today in this video we are going to understand a periodic property, that is metallic character. Metallic character. In the last class, I hope you understood the periodic property non-metallic character. So although metallic character should be understood before non-metallic character, but there was some sort of misunderstanding and confusion, due to which I changed the sequence. But no issues, if you have understood non-metallic character, now you can understand metallic character very easily, because they are interrelated. Okay, if you understand one of these properties, metallic or non-metallic, you will understand the other, because they are opposite of each other. Okay, so metallic character is definitely a periodic property that is interconnected, that is related, that talks about especially about metals. Okay, and what is this property about? This property is about that metals, they have the tendency to lose electrons. Metals, they have the tendency to lose electrons. Okay, tendency means the ability, the capability. Now they don't lose any number of electrons. There is a specific limitation. There is a limitation for losing electrons, and that's 3. So atoms, they can lose 1, 2 and at most of 3 electrons. At least 1 and at most 3 electrons. This is the range of losing electrons from their outermost shell to become a cation. So you know that after losing electrons, atoms, they become positively charged, and positively charged ions are what? They are called cations. Moving ahead, let us take an example. Sodium. The atomic number of sodium is 11. If you write the electronic configuration 281, and why do these atoms lose electrons? Why? Because to become stable, to acquire the stable electronic configuration, that is to acquire the nearest, acquire noble gas electronic configuration, the nearest noble gas electronic configuration, that is to have 8 electrons, either 8 electrons in the outermost shell or 2 electrons in the outermost shell. That is to acquire an octet, either an octet or a duplet electronic configuration. Okay, so in the case of sodium, it loses 1 electron, because it is a metal, and metals can lose 1, 2, 3 electrons from the outermost shell. So it will lose this last electron to acquire an octet electronic configuration. So sodium loses 1 electron and it becomes Na plus, because it is losing only 1 electron, that is only plus sign is here. Similarly, if you have magnesium, the atomic number is 12. You write the electronic configuration 282. So it is going to lose these two electrons from the outermost shell to acquire the octet. That is the stable electronic configuration. So this atom loses 2 electrons and acquires a plus 2 charge, because it is losing 2 electrons. Similarly, if you have aluminium, 213 is the atomic number, electronic configuration is 283. So it is going to lose these 3 electrons and will acquire a plus 3 charge. So this is how atoms of metals lose electrons and become cations. The tendency for losing these amount of electrons is the metallic character. Hope you understood the definition. Let us move ahead. The factors affecting upon the metallic character.